Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me guide you on how you can remove the background of an image in PowerPoint. First, insert your image into PowerPoint and ensure it's selected. Navigate to the top and click Picture Format. On the left, find and click Remove Background. PowerPoint will automatically remove the background, but you might need to refine it. Click Mark Areas to Keep or Mark Areas to Remove at the top left. Simply click Hold and drag over areas you want to adjust. It's intuitive and smart, often recognizing edges like here. Once you're satisfied, click Keep Changes in the top left, and that's it. Your image now has a clean, background-free look. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.